Hello and welcome back to the Lash & Brow Directory Booking System tutorial. This tutorial is on scheduling. So I have already gone over to how to make an appointment through the schedule, but this is going to be how you set your schedule. So once again, from your dashboard, select schedule, and this will take you to the schedule page. Basically, the schedule page looks like a calendar. It does open 1 week at a time. I've actually just opened up a few weeks here, and you simply just select show next week, and that will open up your next week. Now, everything in green means that it is open and available for bookings. Anything in red means that you cannot make a booking on those dates, and that's set from the service schedule when you did basically your business hours. But what you can do from here is close off dates and times. So if you have, say, a day that you just want to close off because you know you're not going to be there, simply select close. This means that this will no longer be available on the front end for people to make bookings. If then you change your mind and you are going to be open, simply click and that will open that up again. Also, you can do the same thing for time slots. So say you know that you're going to be unavailable at 9 o'clock for the next few days in a row. Simply lock off those appointments. And once again, if you change your mind and you are going to be available, then you can unlock them. So I'll show this one up here. And as you can see, they're in red when they're locked and in black when they're unlocked. Now, if you want to be able to lock off a date or a time, so say you've got quite a few dates in a row, so you were going away for 2 weeks holidays, we can go up here and go to date auto lock. And this will just bring up the section that you can add in the dates and also add the service that you want to select to lock the dates on. So you can lock off one service, say you had someone away or you weren't going to offer a certain service over a period of time. You can actually just lock off one service. So simply select the service that you want to lock off. Select the date range to say you're going away on holidays from the 3rd of June through to the 9th of June. Apply. And also you can exclude a date. So say between the 3rd of June and the 9th of June, you are actually going to be back on the 7th. So you can exclude that date as well. Select start. And it's locked off those dates. So I'll go back into the calendar for that service. And I'll just show that week. So now you can see that that week has been locked off and is unavailable. And you can see the next week is open as per usual. So it's just locked off that 1 week. Once again, you can open dates from here again as well. So even though that date was locked off, those appointments are still there. So it won't affect any appointments that are already booked in. All it's doing is stopping this from being seen from the front end. So when customers are booking with you, it's closing off these times and dates. This is a really good way and quick, easy way to fix up your schedule. Say you have someone who doesn't book through the booking system and they ring you and you're a bit busy, you can just quickly log in. They say, okay, 12th of June, I want an appointment at 10 a.m. You can just quickly log that off and then come back later in and actually add in the appointment. So you would have to unlock it and then click to add the appointment. But at least that way, if you're away and someone else is hopping onto your booking system, that time's not available. So it will just stop you from being able to get double booked.